let's talk about mods. You have 3 categories to consider: beverage, food, and retail. Now, everybody's setup's going to be a bit different. At MyBar, we keep it super simple. We've entered the mod category name as, and each of the tiles is an upcharge for a cocktail, all of which are nested under the beverage mods tab. The way this ends up playing out on the POS system is that when a customer calls for a specific liquor in a cocktail, we're able to retain the reporting of that product as well as the modifier. So in this circumstance, somebody's ordered a Nika Coffee Malt Old Fashioned. So I'd add the Nika, click the mods button, and then select Old Fashioned. Now this setup works really well for us because we don't have servers, and we don't need to communicate much information about what's going on in a particular tab to other people within our staff. Now, if you have servers within your establishment that need to communicate information to either a bartender or kitchen staff about what a customer requested on their order, you might want to set up similar to this. Here you can see we've added a bunch of different pre-modifier names such as no, add, easy, extra, and these are all ways to communicate information with the person making the order. Now back on the POS system, you can see those pre-modifiers are at the top of the screen, allowing me to do something like add rocks to the Nika order. The same functionality and relationship between the pre-modifier names and mod categories exists in the food mods and retail mods. The important thing to consider is how you have your product reported. So in this case, you can see salad as a food, and then when I'm selecting that product, it's going to show me the food modifiers under that product. The same thing goes with retail products. So as you're setting up modifiers, just keep in mind the way that the products are categorized are going to affect which pre-modifiers and modifier categories are displayed under that product.